Quick user guide for the Ignis safe lock. How to open the safe. Press the on key. Enter a valid 6-digit code. The factory default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press the enter key. Within 4 seconds, turn the handle clockwise until the stop position is reached. Open the safe door. How to close the safe. Ensure that the bolts are fully retracted. If necessary, rotate the handle clockwise to retract the bolts. Gently push the door shut. Always ensure that there are no objects or people in the way of the closing door. Turn the handle anti-clockwise until the stop position is reached. Changing your code. Open the lock using a valid 6-digit master code. Open the safe door. Press the on key. Press the enter key. Press key 1 followed by the enter key. Enter the existing 6-digit master code. The factory default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press the enter key. Enter a new 6-digit code followed by the enter key. Re-enter the new 6-digit code, then press the enter key to confirm. For more detailed lock information, visit burtonsafes.co.uk to download our full lock instructions guide.